In this video, we are going to go over the first 10 measures of prime on the alto saxophone, and I'm going to walk you through everything just in case there's anything that is new to you. So at the beginning, our tempo is fast. Quarter note is 151 beats per minute. We have a sharp in our key signature, which means any F that we play will be an F sharp, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, and the second key, middle finger. And if it's the higher one, then you'll add the octave key to that. Then we have our time signature. We are using a C for common time. That is the same as 4/4 time, which means if you have 4/4 time, 4 beats in every measure, and the whole note gets 4 beats. So we start with a whole note G. It is played at a piano dynamic, so softly, and you gradually get louder or crescendo to a quarter note G that is forte and has an accent. So that's what this V is. When you have an accent that is straight up like this, it is going to be played a little bit louder, a little bit heavier, but quite a bit more separated. So it's more of a poke rather than the sideways accent, which is more of a push. So we start with G's doing that, and then we go to A's, 1, 2. And then at measure 5, we have a D, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus the octave. Lift one finger for the E, back to a half note D. C is just the middle finger, up to D, those are quarter notes. Measure 7, we have an E on beat 1. Then we go to an F sharp, and that's a dotted quarter note. We hold it for 3 beats, so beats 2, 3, and 4. Those are all forte. And then at measure 8, we have a half note A, that's mezzo piano, that means medium soft. The G is going to be a little bit louder because we are in a crescendo, and then we land on a whole note A, forte. Measure 10, you rest. So I am going to play through this at the tempo that is specified. I hope you're able to play along, but I would really recommend listening first and then going back and playing with me. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, that's not what we wanted, is it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That was better on the second time around. So I hope that was helpful, and we will see you next time.